when that bitch use me as a fucking best friend. I be the silhouette of a sunset, smoke a cigarette when I come close. Motherfuckers stepping to the light, look at the lights, get violent. I'm trying to get the highest I can get before all the dozen that.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan, and today we got our stage 3 clutch. Because my throttle bearing was going bad, you can hear like a noise in the tranny. At first, I thought it was just fucking up, like the tranny was just done for. Because in first gear, when you send it, it'll stop around 3,000 or 4,000 RPMs, and you have to switch to second gear just for it to go. And I'm sorry for the background noise. That's my car turned on. But anyways, we got a stage 3 clutch, man. I'll leave a link in the description below. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, that's the actual 6-puck clutch and then the flywheel. Nice. So yeah, I went with the stage 3 because your boy's fast, build fast. I'm probably gonna fuck something up. Just watch me. Fucking watch me. Alright, so we're gonna get that installed in like a second for you guys. So
yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
yeah, lay like the rest would. Okay, so now the car is done, the clutch is in, and to me the car feels way better. It's like it responds way better. With the old clutch I had, it was because the throwout bearing was going out. So in reverse, it would make this horrible noise. In first gear, we try to just barely tap it. It will make a horrible noise unless you don't press the gas. Then and just send it with clutch. It won't make a noise. But now with this new clutch, it's it's just not making any noise. I still haven't sent it because I'm trying to break in the clutch first. I'm gonna wait like a good 500, 1,000 miles. I haven't checked the specifics on it yet, but I'll leave a link in the description below of what clutch I bought. And yeah, so far the car runs amazing now. Doesn't make any noises. I'm not sure if it's still gonna stop at 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs, or 4,000, because I'm still breaking in the clutch. But the videos in the beginning of this video, just fun videos that I did. Hope y'all enjoy those, and yeah, that's it.